Ya ভাই মাউথ স্পিকার নাই স্পিকার নাই
আছে উনি ঠিক করা হয় নাই
Good afternoon to all of you. How are you all? I hope all of you are very fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Thank you very much for giving me such a great opportunity to say something about myself. This is Aisha in front of you. My home district is Malanpur, but currently I live in my village, which is Kachabani. Actually, I'm a student. I'm studying in class 5 at the Taqwa As-Salafiyya Madrasa. I would like to inform you about my hobby. This is known to all that hobby is very important for development of our mind. My hobby is reading Quran, Hadith, and history. This is certain. Human beings will never be able to achieve the real success in the world and hereafter without the knowledge of Quran, Hadith, and Islamic history. So, everybody should achieve the knowledge of Quran and Hadith. Thank you all and so much. Wassalam.